Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Garden is My Passion. Today, friends, I am in Agrihorticultural Society 2019 Annual Flower Show, and this is the section of all the fruits and vegetables you can see behind all the brinjals and tomatoes, lab beans, long gourd, bitter gourd, different kinds of vegetables you can think of, different kinds of capsicum. You can see lab beans and different types of all the vegetables are grown in the containers, and behind you can see I will show you all types of fruits, taking from the sapodilla, all the pomegranate, and even the bananas, all are grown here in the containers. You can grow there also. Just have a look, you will enjoy all the video, so keep on watching. Thank you very much. hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to do a lot about the various foliage and fruitings and vegetable plants and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.